Minka Aire fan with remote control. Fan does not work, but light does. Neither worked, so replaced wall remote transmitter and receiver. Light now works but fan does not. Here click at fan when press fan speed button at transmitter, so apparently signal is getting to receiver. Is there a fuse or other interrupter in the fan circuit that may have tripped?
Hello, my name is XXXXX I'm here to answer any of your electrical questions. Give me a few minutes while I take a look at your fan and try to look it up. Do me a favor and try to give it a push, a little jump start while it is on, and see if it keeps going. If it keeps spinning, it is the capacitor. You can replace it by going to this website. Click here. Go to capacitors and make sure you get an exact match. You can also look at it and see if it is swollen, or has any burn marks. Replace it. Here is a picture of a capacitor, so you know what you are looking for. You will need to remove the light kit in order to find it. On the one in my example you would need to know how many wires, 5, and the UFs on my example you would have 4.5 plus 6 full-size image. However, before you do this, be sure to check for any loose connections.
Tried starting fan rotation by hand and then pressing transmitter. Still here, click at fan but no drive. Connections are good.
I would try replacing the capacitor. If you have a voltage tester with a symbol like this, you can test the capacitor. Full-size image, however, if you do not, it's worth a shot trying to replace it.
Not sure how to locate capacitor. Remove lower light globe but don't see any attachment connections to bottom of fan housing. Can't see how to remove botched XXXXX from fan. Remove bottom globe but don't see any attachment screws for light mounting to fan housing.
Post a couple of pictures.
Thanks for the suggestion. I'll try replacing the capacitor, but don't see how to remove botched XXXXX from fan housing. Remove bottom globe but don't see any screws or other attachments for light base to fan housing. Any suggestions or guidance on how to get inside fan? Full-size image. Full-size image. Attached are two pictures, notch on light housing and rotating fan element, bottom of light housing.
I do apologize. I am in the middle of moving and my only internet access is my phone, which is really difficult to see pictures. I'll opt out and see if another expert can help you.
Good luck with the move. I appreciate your suggestions.
Hello. I have read through the conversation so far. It could be the capacitor, but I suspect a loose connection. It's a good sign that you hear the clicking of the receiver when trying to turn the fan on. I would go through all splices, including factory splices, looking for a loose connection. If the fan has a pull chain switch on it, I would try pulling it a few times, to see if the fan will run on any speed.
I'll check connections again this afternoon. I'll let you know result. Thanks for responding.
Sounds good. I'll be in church until about noon Eastern Time. I'll check for a reply when I get home.
I undid and redid the connections. Although I didn't find anything obviously loose, the fan now works. Thanks for the help. Let Sparky know we got his working.
Will do. Thanks for the update. I'm glad to hear you got it working. If you should need help with future electrical problems, we'll be here. Thank you for the opportunity to help.
How/where do I rate the support so you get paid? I don't see a request or button to send rating to.
That's very odd. The choices are bad, poor, okay, good, and excellent. I'll submit this information as an answer, and we can see if that provides you with the ability to rate. I do appreciate your concern about it. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.